Yo, here's another awesome giveaway. So get as many of your friends and family to subscribe to these two channels. Make sure that they like, comment your name if they're entering on your behalf, or their name if they want to enter as well into the competition. Make sure they turn on the notification bell as well. Alright, so we're gonna pick the top 3 winners. Third place will get 1,700 and some change in car credit. Second place gets a 1 week data plan, right? And first place will get a month data plan. All right, so make sure you subscribe, share this video with everyone, and yeah, let's get the competition going. Check out Jamaica Vibes Kitchen next week for another awesome giveaway. Peace.